When we talk about carbohydrates, we're entering the language of elite sports science, but most individuals view carbohydrates through the lens of basic weight loss. Zero carbs will keep you alive. Your liver can manufacture enough glucose from fat to let you survive and jog. But survival is not high-performance health. To generate maximum power and explosive speed, human biology relies heavily on the glycolytic energy system, the pathway that rapidly burns stored carbohydrates for fast, anaerobic ATP. Holistically, it becomes difficult to redline on ketones alone. And yes, this applies directly to building muscle. It is incredibly hard to sustain the high-end mechanical tension required for true hypertrophy on empty fuel tanks. Furthermore, prolonged keto or carnivore protocols introduce a massive biological tax. Exclusive reliance on animal proteins and fats leaves behind a highly acidic metabolic ash, and biological balance is directly interlinked with optimization. This dietary acid load forces your kidneys and respiratory system to constantly buffer your internal environment. The problem: that taxes the exact same buffering systems you need to clear lactic acid during intense training. Because of this, it gets significantly harder to sustain extreme mechanical output when your baseline buffering capacity is already exhausted by your diet. To hit 100% capacity, you need an optimized biological baseline and fully packed glycogen vaults. And this is closely linked to conditioning and endurance building, as explored in our VO2 max segment. Many believe any exercise burns fat equally, but sources suggest that this is a misconception. So, addressing incomplete factors can challenge thinking, leading to blind-sided diet dogmas. Understanding the mechanisms is key to real lasting progress. The biology of localized fuel. Unlike liver glycogen, which can be broken down and sent anywhere in the body to raise blood sugar, muscle cells lack the enzyme glucose 6-phosphatase, which helps release free glucose into the bloodstream, helping keep blood sugar stable during fasting or between meals. This means once glucose enters a muscle cell and becomes glycogen, it is stored there. Your bicep cannot donate its glycogen to your quads. The direct way to empty a specific muscle's vault is to physically contract that exact muscle, the local energy reserve. Lean carbohydrates, which are some of the best, can be essential for high-performance health. Beyond survival, achieving peak performance requires balance. A holistic approach for long-term personal mastery coupled with well-being, it really depends on individual physiological goals. Subscribe to the channel and go deeper with holistic high-performance health.